which one we need to use in the trading, top-down or the down-top analyzation methods. In this video, I will compare two methods together to know which one is better to help you can choose correctly methods to trading in your trading career. So let's get started. The first one, you also know that top-down analyzation, you analyze from the highest time frame to lowest one in your trading system. And in the down top or the bottom up is a reversal. At this time, you analyze from the lowest to scanning the entry signals. After scanning, you come into the highest time frame to define the big picture of the market, whether the big picture of the market supports for your entry or not. Therefore, this time, two analyzation methods it seems that's quite strong and can help you to be profitable trader. So which one is better? I will summarize in the table like this, and here is the factors top down and the down top or the bottom up analyzation. The first factors I want to care here is a management ability. At this time for the top down analyzation, you should only manage lower than 6 currency pair or stock pair in the market. And for the bottom up, at this time you can manage from the 6 to 20 pairs. Why like this? Because at this time in the top-down analyzation, you need to analyze the knot from the 4 hours, 1 hour until 15 minutes time frame. You need to do on the 3 time frame together every time we open any chart. But at this time in the bottom-up or the down-top analyzation, you only scanning in the 15 minutes time frame to find out whether this currency pair have your entry signals or not. If the markets don't appear your entry signals, at this time you can skip this currency pair and come into other one. Therefore, this time for the top down, you only can manage lower than 6 currency pair. But in the bottom up, you can manage quite hard from 6 to 20s. And the second one is your win rate. Your win rate is a top down analyzation method from the 60.2%. In the bottom up is 66.8%. Is quite impressive with the bottom up analyzation. About the reward predict ratio at this time, top down analyzation is higher than the down top. For the top down is 2.84 and for the bottom up is 2.37 times. And why like this? Because the top down analyzation you can understand about the big pictures, markets, main structures, to smallest structure of the market and which price come into your buying zone and entry. For the bottom up, at this time you might manage too many currency pair. Therefore, this time the numbers might be lower. And this information I summarize from some of the very popular trader and profitable trader in the market. And win rate to break even, it means that how many percent win rate you need to have in the market to break even. At this time for top-down analyzation is 26.04% and for the bottom up at this time is 29.06%. And if you only compare two first factors, you can see that the bottom up analyzation method is better. But if you compare about two lower factors, at this time top-down analyzation method is better. And the last one and the next one also quite important, drawdown. Drawdown, it means that how many percent from your balance to the lowest in the whole month or in the whole section you manage. And you judge your trading results. And for the top down this time is minus 3.96%. And for the down top at this time is minus 3.03%. And the last one also the important one is the requirement to apply the trading methods. First one for the top-down analyzation about the levels or the experience to apply this method. Top-down analyzation you can apply for all of the levels. Even you are new traders or advanced traders in the market. But at this time for the bottom-up, you need to have the experience at least from the 3 to 4 years. Why like this? Because for the bottom-up analyzation methods, you need to very confident about the setup. For example, is a double top, double bottom, or you very confidence about the 5 strongest buying zone and key levels in the market, also in the POI zone in the smart money concept. Because if you are define the wrong entry signals, at this time you can entry at the wrong way immediately. Therefore, the requirement for this level for this method is quite high than the top-down analyzation methods. And the next one about your personality. Top-down analyzation method is suitable for all the types, even you are the hot-tempered person or the calm person. But bottom-up analyzation method is only suitable for the calm person. Why like this? Because you're scanning a lot of the currency pair in the market. Therefore, this time, you can define a lot of the entry signal on the markets. Therefore, if you are the greed person, it means that you can entry with a lot of currency pair because you are not of the calm person in the market. Therefore, you can lose a lot of money in the single times. Therefore, you need to be the calm person to manage a trade. For personalities for the top-down analyzation, it's all types. You can even you are the hot timers or other types. And for the trading style, for the top-down analyzation, also all types. And for the bottom-up, normally apply in the scalping and swing tradings. I will guide you about how to scalping effectively in the single course after this course. And totally which one is better. From my views, top-down analyzation method is very suitable if you are trading with the swing trading and investing. And for the level, either newbies or advanced levels. Therefore, I recommend you apply top-down analyzation methods after you already fully understand and have the profits with the top-down analyzation methods. With experience from 3 to 4 years, at this time you can change to try to use the bottom-up analyzation method to manage more pair in the markets because at this time you already earn a lot of money with the top-down analyzation methods. And at this time, you also can apply this method to scanning more to earning more the money in the market, and also scanning to manage more the stock and earn more money in the stock markets. Because if you are investing, you also need to manage many pair like this, and bottom up might be help you. Even the trading style in the investing is not suitable, but for the investing, you need to combine two styles together. Therefore, this time you need to understand and also have the experience with the bottom up to apply it in the investing, to use all the money you already earn in the trading in the top-down analyzation. And that's also my method I'm using now. I earn money from the trading with the top-down analyzation method and combine it together to investing in stock markets to manage more stock pair in the market. And that's all about the video today. Thank you.